Hi folks, I'm Samik and today I'm going to talk about the best and sustainable place to buy domain for your internet business. Why sustainable and not the cheapest? Let's find the reason out. So the website is porkbun.com. Here you can buy your any domain which you want and you can see the rank in all the websites. Like it is the best domain and you can see .com domains are available at $11, .1 8.7, and if you buy .xyz it is showing 2, sometimes it show $1 as well for the first year. Then according to that, so let me just show you domain. So let me just search any random domain. So let's do this any random domain and we will see what are the cost. So you can see obviously you get some some benefit over domains, like for example this .1 .ing .xyz, it's around 2.06 per year, and then after if you upgrade it, like after you renew it, it's 12.98, and all the .com domains are 11.0. So let me just do any random domain. Let's type this one and let's see whether .com is available or not. Any random domain, random one. Just trying the string so that you can see the .com domains whether it is available or not. So you can see this domain is available and you can buy it for $11.08. And if you press this one and if you go to the checkout and if you do all the billing, and you can buy it for me, like you can buy it for yourself. And obviously there is no different and no exception. If you have coupon, you can put coupon, but Porkbun has very less coupons for .com domain, so there is a probability that you will not get this domain. And after you have bought, why Porkbun is the sustainable but not the cheapest, I will say you that. But if I say buy the same domain in Namecheap or maybe in GoDaddy, let me just go to this particular domain and let me copy this domain and I will show you the difference. So what happens is that in Namecheap, after a year, that particular domain price gets shot up. So if it was 11.08 as a renewal fees, it will go much more like $13 or $14 after renewal. So you can say it renews at 4,300. Okay, not this one, 1324. So let me just do this one in USD to make you understand. So you can say it's $15, right? It's $15 for that same domain which you have bought. But again, it is 997 in the first year, so which is cheaper than the Porkbun domain. But if you are someone who is looking for sustainable and if you are building a business, okay, let me do this 997 INR to USD. Says guys, so it's 11.29. So okay, so it is still way pricier than the Porkbun, but you get the point. The first year domains are always cheaper in other websites, but the renewal fees actually gets all the benefit from you, and you actually see yourself in loss after 2 or 3 years. But with Porkbun, it is sustainable pricing. You get all the price during the, so like buying the domain, and you see that it only renews at this price and you will only charge this one at the renewal, so which is very beneficial. And again, let me try this or in GoDaddy, let me do this one. So if we see, you can see it is only rupees 1.60, and after that, after 3 years it will cost you a lot. So if you just press the make it yours, and you will see the cost and everything. So let me do the continue and I will show you the pricing. So you can see that, okay, let me go to continue to cart. No thanks, no thanks, no domain protection, continue to cart to show you what exactly is the pricing. And you can see that it cost me this much for 3 years. So let me do this in USD to make you understand what is the final cost is costing me. It is costing me 33, which is same as the as this one. Like if you do this 3 times, it will almost cost you the same. So the point is, if you buy in Porkbun, it is sustainable because, for example, after 1 year or after 2 year, you decide to not continue with that internet business. You can skip domain renewal, but in GoDaddy, you have to buy that one for 3 years, and if you buy that for 1 year, it will cost you the same, similar, and more than the one which you have decided. So if you do this one, it will cost you the same, which is 11.88, and which is higher than the Porkbun. So you get my point. The .com is the like the most expensive domain in Porkbun, and I've shown you the comparison with other websites. But if you go with the other domains, which actually gives you sale for 1 year, for example, this grablink.xyz, I bought this for $1. Obviously, the renewal price will be higher for this one. If I show you this one, it is 12.98, which is more than the .com domain, but it is okay because I know this might work or this might not work in future. So I just bought it for $1, and in future I may not to buy, like continue it. So that is the one thing, and I like map your idea, so I bought it for 11.08. This one and this one, it costed like this .in domains, .uk domains, this cost less. So if you see, for example, prosamic.uk, it should cost actually less, in my opinion. So you can see this actually costs less, like the country's domain and other domains as well. But if you want to buy the .com, it will cost you 11.08. Otherwise, every other domain will cost you very sustainable, very cheapest, in my opinion, and it will help you. So this is what I wanted to talk about: the best and sustainable and the cheapest place to buy domain, and that's why I created this a particular single video so that you get the value and you don't get confused with other domain videos. So yesterday I made a video on domain management. If you want to get into complexities on how to set up domain, what to look for, how to set up name server, how to set up DNS, you should check that out. But if you're just looking for the domain, then this video should help you. And that's why I created this video differently. So that's it, guys. So I will see you tomorrow with another SaaS implementation. Till then, take care and bye.